Welcome to Agent Builder. In this lesson, you will learn how to download and install our free plugin on your WordPress site, and then how to connect to your first AI provider. Head over to agentic-plugin.com, the home of Agent Builder, AI agents and teams for WordPress. Click the Download Free Plugin button to get started. Choose the free Agent Builder plugin. Create a free account, and the plugin zip file downloads straight to your computer. Now open your WordPress admin, and go to Plugins menu and choose Add Plugin. Click Upload Plugin, choose the zip file you just downloaded and click Install now. Once installed, you will find Agent Builder in your plugins list. Click Activate, and you are ready to connect your first AI provider. We have made it easy for you to get started. So right after activation, you will see a notice to finish the Agent Builder setup. Go ahead and click on the Finish Setup button. At the registration screen, enter your email address and the domain that you wish to connect to Agentic AI. Scroll down and select the security mode and models you prefer. If you are just getting started, we recommend using the default settings. Review and accept the terms and conditions, then click on Register. Congratulations, you can now begin interacting with your AI agents. Ask the WordPress assistant anything you like to learn more about how to use Agent Builder. In the next lesson, we will show you how to install Agent Builder Pro and how to connect to more LLM providers. Remember to subscribe to this channel for great ideas on how to orchestrate AI agents in WordPress.